Hello, this is Pranet. I chose Sudoku for my term project for 15.1.12 and I'll be showcasing it now. When the app is run, a screen pops up where the user can select the difficulty of their choice. Right now, I'll select hard by clicking on the button. Based on the selected difficulty, a board is loaded randomly. Behind the scenes, a solver works using backtracking to create a solution which is stored for later use. Now, going back to the app, the user can choose if they want to use the automatic or candidate mode for legals. In the automatic mode, if they enter a value, all the legals are updated automatically. However, in the candidate mode, which they can toggle by pressing the toggle legal mode button, they need to update all the legals on their own. So if I enter a 5 here, the legals aren't updated. To solve this, the user can press shift and the number that they want to update the legals on their own. For example, since I entered 5 in the previous cell, if I press shift 5 here, it disappears. Now in this cell, say I press shift 6 by mistake. To bring that back, I press shift 6 again and all is back to normal. Now if I enter an incorrect value, say I enter 4 here, then I get a notification saying that the value is invalid and the cell also turns red. Now if I press the delete or backspace key, that value is deleted and the color is also changed back. Now about hints. Oh, but before that I must change back to the automatic mode. Yes. There are 2 buttons for hints. The first one is the view hint button, which if pressed, first shows a cell that has only one legal value, also known as a singleton. To enter this value, the user can navigate to the cell and enter that number, or they could also view the hint and then click on apply hint to do the same automatically. If the user does not want to bother about clicking on view hint and apply hint each and every time, they can instead press shift H, which automatically identifies all the singletons and fills them up with values until none are left. When this is over, a notification is displayed and the user can move on. The next hint is obvious tuples, which the user can see using the view hint button. The cells are highlighted in blue and they contain legals that cannot be contained by any other cell in that row, column or block. To update the legals, the user can either do that manually or conveniently use the apply hint button and done. Now let's say that the user is stuck and they would like to view the solution. They can click on the solve button and the backtrack solution that was created earlier is loaded, which is quite useful. And now once the user has done that, they want to play it again. So they can press the reset button and the board is set to the original state. If the user does not like this board or would want another difficulty, they can press shift N to go back to the selector screen and perhaps choose another level. On doing that, the play screen is again loaded and everything works as normal. I hope you liked my project and enjoyed this video.